Hello guys, so today is Saturday weekend and I'm gonna make some slime. First we gotta start off with the bowl, put the bowl in front of me. Then we gotta put the glue and we gotta squirt it, okay? So we gotta start off with the glue. Then we gotta put 1 spoon of the baking soda. And we gotta put 2 or 1 drops of the citric solution. And then we get to mix it. And then we're gonna wait. So first, glue. Okay? What? The glue's not working. Maybe I gotta twist it a little bit more. What? It's not working. Let me just... Okay guys, so now I'm back. And this is a little bit messy. So we just gonna... Wow! So let's go. Put 1 more. Whoa! This is so much. That's so funny. Okay, got it. It's so funny. Okay, now we gotta put the 1 cup of the bacon. Look, this is so funny. Gotta put 1 cup of the baking soda. 1 cup. Okay. Then 1 or 2 cups of the citric solution. I'm gonna only put 1. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Ah! I spit on my neck. I'm gonna die. Okay. Let's mix it. Mix. Skip. It's gonna be glowing. It's glow in the dark blue and it's glittery. See? Ooh. See? It's a little bit messy. Okay. Whoa! Gonna see what it looks like? That's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna see if it's slime. That's almost slime. Yay, go spoon. Just kidding. Whoa, 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 whoa. It looks almost like Oobleck. You know what Oobleck is? Comment down below if you don't know. This is like an ice ring. Okay. See what it looks like. See if it's slime or not. Slime is very messy and it gets on your hand. Wait, get on my hand. Ooh, it's already slime. Ah. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it up. Okay, so it's been like a couple hours and I think the slime's ready. So wait, it's not ready. No. Maybe I put some baking soda in it. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but Okay, got more baking soda. And I'm just gonna see if it's going to do something or not. Okay, now let's just mix it. To see. Wait, it's kind of like a. Look at it. Wait, I think it's almost slime. Okay, let's keep mixing. Yeah, because when it's slime, wait. When it's slime, it's like so sticky that you can't even move it again. And I think it's almost there. Oh, it's really almost slime. Okay, I think it's now slime. Okay, guys. So, it's slime. It's slime like nearly right now. You can pick the whole thing up. It's slime. Ooh. Guys, oh God. Oh, slime. Look at that. Wow. It still has the baking soda in it. I don't know why. But look at it. You got a big mouth. This is so cool. Okay. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Wait, that's the slime. Not my hand. Okay, I don't know how I get the slime off of my hand. But you hear that? Look at my hands. Floors. Doors. Let's go. Aeration. Okay. Oh my. Guys, I think our slime is ruined because it's on the thing. So guys, I think this is not a good video. Oh no, look at this. I'm just gonna roll it up into a and let's try to pick it up. Look at my hand. Okay, guys. I think this is a really beautiful idea because I just put the slime on the carpet. You can see it. Look at it. Stick. That's why. And the slime's already sticking on my hand. I think this is not a good idea. Maybe because I used so much baking soda. Maybe I should never think of that. Just look at it. Look at my hands. Now it's not even slime. I just mushed my slime. No, this is not a good idea. I can't do it. Guys, I can't do it because my hands are so messy and I can't even stop the video. I can't even touch the video, dang. It will be a bad idea if I just put slime on my mom's phone. What do you think? I can't even do it. Guys, I can't do this. Can you please help me? I will never ever start this video ever again. My pinky's almost gone. See, it's almost gone. Shoot. So guys, look at our slime. It is so cool, right? So if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe, like, and share, and give me a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell down below.